Hey, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new fresh video. In this video I'm going to unbox a new product, that is i11 TWS, which is a clone of Apple AirPods. And you can see this product, here it is, and this is totally the clone of Apple AirPods. So in this particular video I'm going to show you a short unboxing video, unboxing mechanism, and at last some feedback from myself if you does it to worth it or not. So let's go straight in the video to the unboxing, and then I tell you the mechanism, how to use it, and the pricing at all at the last. So watch this video till the end. I hope you guys like this video. So don't wasting time, let's go straight into the video. Whereas it comes for my feedback, remembering all the pros and cons in one word, the product was excellent. I'm personally using this product about a week ago, and I can hardly find any disappointment about this product except the bass enhancement feature. It has not a very good bass enhancement feature, rather it has a decent one. But other than that, the comfort does not compromise with the price as it is dealing with. And you can see guys, I'm wearing these earpods in my ears, but I can say you hardly I can feel anything wearing in my ears. And it has a very lightweight as well as a very good attachment with my ears, that it can hardly have a chance to drop out from my ears. In case of battery life, it has done a great job. In this time, the AirPods that are each coming with 2 to 3 hours of battery lifetime, and if you keep your AirPods in this charging case, the charging case is capable of getting your AirPods fully charged up to 3 to 4 times. So there is charge which should be no issue for this. And the charging adapter which is coming with this AirPods and AirPods case, it is, you can see that is lightning cable adapter, which is definitely a very good point, which doesn't compromise its pricing and which also shows the quality of this product. I love the product from myself, and I'm using this again. I'm saying that I was using this from the last week. So please comment down in the section below, typing your comment down that how the product was. I'll be giving the link in the description below. You can go and check out the pricing from there, and if you want, and you can purchase this product from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video is till this, and I hope you guys like this video, and you know what you have to do. You have to like this video, and you have to share this video with your friends, and to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all notification. Please stay tuned with my channel, because upcoming videos are coming, and upcoming giveaways are coming. So importantly, I have to tell, because the next video will be a giveaway video. Please stay tuned with this, and thank you so much for watching this video, and have a nice day. Thank you so much.